This critique is for week 4, assignment 1. Hi, Pamela. I read your response. Thank you so much for that. But in looking at your assignment, one thing that you didn't do that I noticed was I didn't see your guides when I opened up your project. And if you look under the samples, I posted on here that the first thing I need to see are your guides when I open up your document. Okay? Where are you? There you go. Okay, and then the other thing is, let me just go ahead and set your guides here. Your text, Pamela, is actually supposed to be in alignment here with this guide. Your text should never ever touch the edge of a document. Okay, it doesn't matter what project you're working on, doesn't matter. And the other thing is, I haven't checked your fonts. Let's see where to go. Okay, for your headlines here, they were supposed to be set at 28 point type, which is correct, but then the leading for it was supposed to be set at 22. Same here. And same here. Okay. And then finally, the other thing I want to talk to you about, Pam, is your name. I like what you've done. I like the warp. I like the clipping mask that you chose. But I want to talk to you about this for a minute. And I'm going to select both your layers, your image as well as your text, because you have a choice here. When you created this, you have a choice. You can either take this and put it within the graphics, making sure it's not touching the bottom of edge of your page, because you clearly have enough room here, and this works well. Or the other option, Pam, is to take your design here, free transform it, and to make it spread across the bottom of your page. I don't know if you're familiar with design elements per se, but one thing you want to do is you want to keep the flow of your work in a Z pattern across your pages. Okay, and of course this all needs to be adjusted so that you get that text away from your other text. And by that I mean, whenever somebody looks at the flow of a design, the eye automatically goes to the top left corner of your page, goes across the top, and then all the way down diagonally through the center of your page and across the bottom. So all your design work, whether it's in school, the workforce, whatever, should create this kind of balance and this kind of flow. Okay, so those were your options there. So I do need you to repost, because I really need you to fix this issue with the text, and then decide on how you want to present your warp text. But overall, great job, and thank you so much for posting.